Resource planning identifies what you need and when people, equipment, materials, facilities, software, and external suppliers to deliver the project. Categories of project resources: human resources internal team, contractors, specialists. Equipment laptops, tools, vehicles, test rigs. Materials physical goods consumed by the project. Facilities, meeting rooms, workshops, site. Services and licenses, software, training, cloud services. Build a resource plan. For each task on the WBS list, the role required, not the person yet, the quantity and duration, any special skills or certifications. Why role first, person later? Planning by role lets you assess capacity before arguing about names. Once the plan is clear, line managers can assign actual people. Try this. For your project, list every resource you will need: people by role, equipment, materials, and services. Note any item with a long lead time that becomes a constraint.